What's up, guys? This is Wahi from 93F. Just here to film a little robot explanation video. So we start off with the drive, right? So we got a really regular drive base, just 450 RPM, 6 motors, non-stacked, 36 to 48, 8 wheels, 2 traction in the middle, and then 2 on the outside, 2 omnis on the outside. Traction, so for the wall stake play, we don't get pushed around, and then omnis just for that a little bit more speed. 8 wheels, because we just didn't want, if you were on the field, then the 8 wheels would just divide the weight of the robot a little bit better, and we just won't sink into the field that much, and that way we're a little bit faster because this bot is hella heavy. We also have Odom wheels for code, which is nice. Just 1 horizontal, 1 vertical, but our code never worked, so it's alright, Then we got our Mogul mech. It's kind of very weird compared to others. I haven't really seen this design before, but it's not a very good one, but it's alright. It works. So it just goes up, and then once the Mogul gets situated in it, it just clamps on, and it tilts a lot, so other people can't steal it, which is really nice. And once we clamped onto it, other teams, if we were clamping onto the opponent's Mogul that full of their rings, they couldn't steal it from us, which was nice. So if we also have these fangs, because if we were to clamp on not a very good thing, it would just push it in. Also, it's very rigid, so it won't ever get loose. I'll do all that. It's not gonna get loose. And the Mogul is very it works really well with the intake. So the intake basically is a 2 motor, so 2 on each side, 1 on each side, and then so if we were to run it real quick, if we were to run it, it's really fast. So you can see it's really fast. It's hitting the ramp because we had a day to fix the ramp before league night. But yeah, so it's 600 RPM hooks, the second stage, but 450 RPM first pre-roller. That's because we didn't really have enough time to change it, and it wasn't nothing was compatible. So yeah, it's really fast, and it's pretty good. Another thing about the hooks is that we had 2 because we didn't really want any more than that, because what would happen is that the hooks would hit the ring sometimes over here, and they'll just hit it like this, and that was not very nice. So we just have it. We also have a really steep ramp because we wanted to make sure everything was compact. Yeah, that's about it. We have these little standoffs here as well, to make sure the rings once the rings get pushed on, it won't fall back into the hooks. They worked okay. They were not that good. Yes, 2 piston Mogul mech. I already talked about that. We have the Doinger, which is actually it was really nice. So the Doinger was wait, if we just push this arm up. So the Doinger was it would grab the goal, and you could drag it back, so the goal's in the middle, and also the rings, right, clamp on, so you can just clamp on, drive a little back, and then take it, yeah, so that's about it for the Doinker. It's also good for clearing the corners out. What else? We didn't really have plastic on it because there's no need. For the PTO, this is probably our most weirdest design, but it worked really well somehow. It just broke a little bit, but it's alright. PTO was just 1 piston, small piston, and it was a huge gear train. You can just see the huge gear train. I don't remember what it was, but the PTO, right? What it was that it would, so right now it powers this pre-roller, but then when we activate the PTO, it then powers the arm. So right now it's on PTO mode, so it's gonna power the arm, which was pretty nice. So we could have 2 motor intake, 2 motor arm, but it wasn't really efficient because we didn't really screw in the motors that well. They got loose over time. We didn't use Loctite on them, so it wasn't really efficient. And also this gear train was hella bulky. Like, it was like okay friction because we used lube on it, but like it wasn't very good build quality because we didn't really like plan it, so we just kind of did it. So yeah, that goes right to the arm. So it goes up, right? And like the finger deploys, which is like to keep us in size, and also like just in case a robot, like we didn't want this to get banged so much, but eventually did get banged a lot. But we didn't want it to bang so much, so we had a finger on it so that it didn't like, how should I put it? It didn't get banged up a lot compared to other ones from our thing. So it's a 2-ring redirect. Or we're not gonna do redirect for our next spot because it's like hella bulky. But like it just goes up, and then like there's like a stake, like a mobile stake, and just like scores it. But yeah, so like it did wall stakes, line stakes. It was alright for scoring. But like the problem was that we didn't really have like a macro for it, so like I had to like manually do it from like the intake to the arm, which was, so we never really used it during comp. We were just really good at doing mobile stakes, that's why. We also had a color sorter on the arm, so what it did was it was just a regular color sorter. Just intaked, let's just say we're on red team, it would intake the red ring like normal, but this is a blue ring, and it just intaked it. Then we don't have a blue ring right now, but it would just go up to the top, and then the intake would stop immediately, so it just fling out, which was pretty nice. Our wiring is really shit, but we tried making it a little bit better by like zip tying the C channels and stuff. That's really, we have this standoff here, but that's really just block this arm from falling down, because otherwise it would just hit the rings. It would like fall down all the way. Yeah, that's if there's anything else, battery mount over there, nice battery mount so that it never got loose, except for one skills run where I forgot to plug it in, so that was pretty unfortunate. Yeah, we also have an inertia in there tucked in for code and stuff. So yeah, that's really about it. Yeah, that's just our explanation video. It's an alright bot. Yeah, toodaloo.